Hi there! In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix it when TikTok is not working. So a lot of TikTok users do face this issue, so I'm gonna show you a few methods that you can try. The first thing you need to do is to go to your app store and search for TikTok and find out if the TikTok app is up to date. If it's not, it's going to show you an option of update, so you just need to click on it and then go to TikTok and see if the problem has been resolved. If not, you can move to the next method, which is go to your phone settings and go to general if you are using iPhone and check your software update. Your phone might be needing a software update, and this might be the reason of the issue, so make sure that your phone is up to date. If the problem's still continuing, you can double check your internet connection. Try to disconnect your Wi-Fi, reconnect it, and if you are using your phone data, you can turn that off and turn it on again and see if the problem is resolved. If not, the last method is to basically delete the TikTok app from your device and reinstall it again from App Store. See if the problem has been resolved. Most likely, it's gonna be resolved using one of the methods that I just have showed you. Super easy and simple.